Welcome back, Crammers, to question 13. The region R shown shaded in the diagram is bounded by three straight lines. Write down three inequalities that define the region R. Now, one of them is already given. We can find this one since it's pretty simple. It's on the y-axis and it's at -3, so that must mean y is equal to -3. We can find this one next. Here, we can see that when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. And we can see here that when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So what does that mean? That means y plus x will always be 1. We can even try it out here. So if x is -2 and y is 3, it'll always equal 1. So that is our third inequality. Now, when dealing with inequalities, we follow the graph. When moving up or to the right, that's greater than equal to. But when moving down or to the left, that is less than equal to. So let's start off with our first answer. Y is equal to -3. We are going up into the region R. We have to find region R. So into the region R is going up. So that means y is greater than equal to -3. Second answer we found was y plus x is equal to 1. And notice how it goes here, and we're going down into the region R. That means it's less than equal to. So y plus x is less than equal to 1. And then here, the answer that they gave was y is equal to 2x plus 2. We're going to be moving to the right into the region R. And if it's to the right, it's greater than equal to. So y is greater than equal to 2x plus 2. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.